Hello everybody, here we go then. Very quick unboxing of a new package from the Future Was 8-Bit. So as you know, Rod has been working on a new cartridge for the Commodore 64 and is now listed it up on the website, so it's going to be available to buy for all you lovely people out there on the Twitterverse who's interested in all things retro. So you can go to his website www.futurewas8bit.com or there we go. Let's just open that side. Sent by the lovely DHL. All Future Was 8-Bit stuff, if you choose the express option, gets sent by DHL. Oh, we have chips. Blue Future Was 8-Bit blue chips. Rather amazing. What's this then? I wonder. Put that one over there. And I'm guessing this looks like it could be, oh, there it is, the Kung Fu Flash. Let's open it up and have a quick look. Oh, there's a nice SD card adapter, because this one takes the micro SD cards. Put that over there. So this is it, the Kung Fu Flash from the futurewas8bit.com. Look at that, that is a really nice cover on the front there. I've not seen the artwork before, it's been obscured, so yeah, I haven't been able to find the Kung Fu, actually see it in production, whereas normally I would be. So it says on the back, Kung Fu Flash gives you access to various cartridge disk images. The following types are currently supported: cartridge CRT format, disk image D64, D71, D81, program PRG and POO, and firmware update UPD. Right, so let's have a look at the Kung Fu Flash itself. Nice clicky buttons, very precise. So this is just the normal Future Was 8-Bit case in the jelly green colour, and as we can see, Rod has made modifications to the cases himself. He's actually milled all of this stuff himself. Ooh. Clicky click, clicky click, clicky click. Look at that, that is lovely. What do you think? I think that looks really nice. I believe these are going to be £45 on the website if they're not already. I think it's already up on the website, so it's looking really good, isn't it? So we've got our special button, special button, menu, and reset. So yeah, I think that's looking really good. And we've got the Future Was 8-Bit logo on the bottom as normal. He said bottom. Yes, very good. That's looking really good. Let's pop the Kung Fu Flash over there. You see that? Yeah. What else is in the box? Aha! We have some jelly. Not green this time, we've got raspberry jelly. Yay! Thank you very much. Put that over there. And what have we got next? Ooh, digging deep. Ah, merch. Here we go. So we've got the Kung Fu Flash, lovely little coaster or coffee holder, coffee cup coaster. Ah, look at that. So yeah, so we've got Kung Fu Flash mouse mat, with Rod and Emu giving a high kick. That's really good. Love the socks. And we've got the pink windmill in the background. Very nice. Very nice. And we've got another pen. Kung Fu Flash pen. Brilliant. And we have a Christmas card from Future Was 8-Bit. Merry Christmas from Rod and Emu. And squiggle. Merry Christmas from all the lads on the Ark Royal. Yes. Brilliant. Very good. So there we have it. That's the Kung Fu Flash. So that's the Commodore 64 cartridge device that allows you to load up CRT images, so cartridge images, the disk images, so D64, D71, D81, and the program files, and you can also update it via the flash on here. The cartridge itself is now available on the website, so that's www.thefuturewas8bit.com. I believe they're £45, something along those lines. Now the only thing with this one is I believe that they do not work in on NTSC C64s, so any Commodore 128, SS64, those sort of things, anything that's in the NTSC region, this will not work on at the moment. Okay, so there we go. There's a quick unboxing of the new Kung Fu Flash device. So let's just take it out, have another look. And there we are. Thank you very much.